Alright, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can do if you want to pay very little in car insurance, because the car insurance usually is very expensive. And for instance, I'll do some math. So let's say that you pay maybe 100 or 120 times 12. So in a year you're going to pay about 1400. So like almost 1500 just in insurance, just with the bare minimum. No collision, no full coverage, no anything. So here I want to show you what I'm paying with this company that you see here, Haggerty. So as you can see here, I'm paying just in the year, I'm paying 241 with 85 cents. That is a very good price. So if you do the math, 241 divide 12, so I have like $20 a month for this car. So I have this Camaro. It's a 98. The only thing with this type of insurance, you will have to have a car that is like 20 years or 25 years old. Otherwise, they're not going to insure it. So as you can see, if you're outside the United States, you don't know what a Camaro is. So this is my car. So this is how it looks like. So basically, I paid for this car like 5,000, and then just for the roof was damaged. So I paid like 2,000 just for repairs, and then I did another repairs on these cars, new tires and everything. So I spent like $10,000 in total, or even a little bit more. But I think it was worth it. This car is very fun. You know, it has a lot of power. It's a V8 and it's very good. I like it. So if you want to buy, you know, like a classic car, a muscle car or something like that, and then you're going to pay very little. Here is what you have to keep in mind. I'm going to leave in the video description this link. So the way it says eligibility guidelines. So the mileage, usually here it says up to 7,500 miles, I think a year. And then the storage, usually they say that the storage, you know, that you have to store the car in a garage. In my case, I don't have a garage. When they ask me, hey, do you have a garage? I say, no, I'm going to be parking it in the back of my house, in the backyard of my house. And they say, yeah, okay, no problem. So if you can read this, this will help you a lot. For instance, an acceptable storage include temporary storage facilities, streets, parking lots, public parking garage, driver eligibility, alcohol related offenses, reckless driving, excessive speed violations. So if you have a lot of speed, maybe they will not give you the insurance. Vehicles that may not qualify. So as you can see here, we have off-road or recreation vehicles driven on a daily basis, commercial usage, and then we have motorcycles with performance modifications. And here you have some limit of the coverage. And here is daily vehicles, and they say a few things more. So they may change, you know, the guidelines, but basically that is it. At least in my case, I don't use my car like every day, maybe every 15 days, once a week. But I have many cars anyway. This is not the only car, but you know, that this is one of the options. Also, if you want to pay less, as you can see here, I have the same car, Camaro. So if I want to change, for instance, a collision deductible, you know, I have 2,000, but I can put like 0, or if I want to pay even less, I can put 5,000. Here, other than collision deductible, so you can put 2,000, or you can put more. I mean, the more you put, the less you pay. Here it says full safety glass coverage, yes, no. So the more things that you put, of course, you're going to pay more, but the less things that you pay, the less things that you select, you're going to pay less. So it is up to you, you know. If you agree with them, you can do that, and then you're going to pay very little. The other thing that you have to keep in mind is here. So sometimes when you type car insurance, so at least I saw this insurance that you see here. This is for classic vehicles, it looks like, and it doesn't have to be like 100 years old, but I mean, you have another companies. And here, if you select, for instance, if you search classic vehicles, sometimes you get this type of weird website, you know, USA Auto Insurance Now, cheapest full coverage $29, or you see this $19. You usually when you get in this type of weird website, they will direct you to, Progressive or Liberty Mutual Insurance or All States or a few other things like that. So in this, for instance, this company, the same thing, Nair Wallet, you click here and they will take you, to all type of insurance companies, and they will call you and they will not, let you sleep. So basically, I mean, it's a disaster. I don't like this. So usually when I put this, I create the alternative phone number. So if you go, for instance, here, text now, you can create a number here, and you don't have to answer the number. If they want to text you, great, that's fine. The same thing with the email. Make sure that you have one of those, temporal emails. Otherwise, you're going to get flooded with emails all the time. Or you can get, some random email that is only just for, receiving offers or something like that, something that you don't use all the time. Otherwise, your email is going to explode with so many advertisements. So that is my experience for now. And with this company, and for now, I didn't have any issues. I mean, I didn't file any claims or anything like that. But if you have something that's good, great. The only thing that you have to know in advance is sometimes if you hire or pay an insurance with a unknown company, they don't cover you later, or you have issues. So make sure that you research and try to see if they have good reviews. Go ahead. They have bad reviews. I saw another YouTuber, saying, okay, yes, we got this insurance company. Yes, at least it will keep you legal. If the cops stop you, you will show them that, yes, I have this company. But when you start having some issues or you have to file a claim, nobody will, answer or the phone or anything like that, and you're going to have a lot of issues. So this is my plan. At least this is what I do, and it works for me. I have another cars I use with Progressive, but in this type of car, I didn't want to pay $100 just maybe once a week or twice a week or something like that. So I decided, getting this company, and it works for me. So hopefully this video was useful. Yeah, and if you have any comment or any better company, please let me know in the section below, and see you next time.